In decorating, to make a good job great, it's all about the details. And there's one detail that makes all the difference to the look and feel of a room that requires no ounce of extra effort to achieve, and that's adding colour to the woodwork and trim. And with our new super tough, easy to apply diamond satinwood now available in thousands of colours, there's simply no reason to keep it white anymore. I'm going to show you 3 ways to choose and use colour on the woodwork and trim. And the first colour scheme I'm going to tell you about is called tone on tone or tonal colour scheming. And it simply involves using the same colour as the wall but lighter and darker tones. You can find lighter and darker tones of colour in columns in the fan deck, professional colour guide and in the colour mixing unit in store. And you can use these to help your customer choose colour. A darker shade on the woodwork creates a bold and impactful look, and a lighter shade is subtle and sophisticated. The second colour scheme is even simpler. All you have to do is paint the woodwork and trim in exactly the same colour as the walls. It's like camouflage and creates a classic, timeless look that helps a room to appear seamless and much bigger. In the third type of colour scheme, you can really have fun, but you need some inspiration. I'm going to use the duvet cover from a cot in a nursery. Use the Dulux Visualiser app to pick a colour from the surface of the duvet cover. And here I'm going to use the colour picking tool to match a colour up. And the colour picking tool will give me coordinating neutrals, a tonal combination and a designer's choice. And you can use any of these colours in combination on your walls and your trim using the strongest, richest colour on the trim. Visit DuluxTrade.co.uk to find lots more inspiration on how to choose and recommend colour schemes for your customers, so they have the beautiful room they deserve and you get all the credit.